Good morning. This is Streetview Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today?
Today we listen to FM Masters 101.3 at Buenos Aires, Argentina. Let's see what they're spinning.
Juego más, basta para mí. Solo quiero encontrarte y que me sepas perdonar. En mi vida estás sucio y perdido, un perro en la ciudad. No me toquen mis discos, no me toquen mi Juan. Give me back my toaster, give me back my tostadora.
Enjoy these songs at full length by following the YouTube links below or by listening to Streetview Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap.
If you find yourself in Buenos Aires, check out Circo Neta. It's a football and circus school, or Gracias y Cactus. Good God, for all your cactus needs.
Thanks for listening.